My name is Mary. You're welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be on Marusiami clothing lines, and again I have a surprise for you. If you want to see it, stay through. And before we get into the video, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and subscribe. So today I have for you the boob tube with elastic, reversible, with bone. I mean, you can't compare this to anything. This is buy one get one free. I love this concept, and I have them in different sizes, different colors. I have worn this before, and if you check the side, you know there's a picture here. This is me. Woo! Anyone can wear it with a jacket. I mean, you're good to go. Now look at this. You have 2-in-1 dress. Imagine you're wearing one side today and the next day you're wearing the other side. This boob tube has elastic and there's a velcro. I hope you can see. I'm going to come closer to show you. It has velcro, elastic, and it has bone as well. So you don't even need a bra if you're wearing this. This is what everybody needs. Look at, I'm even wearing it over another dress and it's giving me this beautiful, awesome look. Wow, this is gorgeous, easy to wear, reversible. Just check on our website. We have a lot of them and the price has been reduced to clear, so you can afford not to buy. So just join me as I'm tying different style of gele. Yeah, time to tie gele. So this one was just a leftover fabric of what I had, you know, on me after my tutorial, and I'm using it so you can dress fully with head to toe African fabric, or you can wear it separately. So I'm not going to be talking here. All you need to do for me, you know, to help support my business is just to subscribe. It's free. Subscribe and support me. I appreciate you guys. So let's watch it together, enjoy, and get your head wrap and continue wrapping with me. Pause it, start again, and wrap. Thank you so much for sharing this time with me. I really appreciate all of you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe, like, and share. And see you some other time. God bless you. Love you.